So today I'm going to show you how to change your Novo Business debit card PIN. Now we're here on the dashboard of our account, and we can go ahead and head over here to our card section on the left-hand side that we have pointed. All right, so from here, this is going to take you to your card section, and over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see your debit cards. Now you might have both a physical and a virtual debit card, so depending on which one you need to change the PIN from, go ahead and click on that down arrow over here on the right-hand side, and that's going to bring up a new set of menu options, one of which says change PIN. You can either click on the word or the right-hand arrow. And then from here, it's going to have you enter in your password and click on confirm. Now from here, it is going to need you to confirm your card information, such as your last 4 digits and your expiration date. Once we plug those in, we're going to go ahead and tap over here on the next button once it's highlighted. And now over here on this screen is where you're going to be able to go ahead and plug in a brand new 4-digit PIN for ATMs and debit card use. So go ahead and plug that in right over here in these 4 different boxes, and then the next button will be highlighted and you are all set. Now, there is more to show you when it comes to using your Novo Business banking account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video here on screen to keep on learning.